Map of Tarsus, ancient Roman city, portrait of young Saul. Saul was born in Tarsus, a major city in Cilicia, around 5 AD. He was a Roman citizen by birth and was brought up in a devout Jewish household. Educated under the famous Rabbi Gamaliel in Jerusalem, Saul became a Pharisee, strictly adhering to the Jewish law. Zealous for his faith, Saul became a fierce persecutor of early Christians. He believed that the followers of Jesus were heretics, and he sought to eradicate this new movement, imprisoning and even approving the stoning of believers. But everything changed on the road to Damascus. As Saul traveled to the city to arrest more Christians, a blinding light from heaven suddenly enveloped him. He fell to the ground and heard a voice saying, "Saul, Saul, why are you persecuting me?" This divine encounter was with Jesus himself. Blinded and shaken, Saul was led into Damascus, where a Christian named Ananias, guided by a vision from God, came to heal him. Scales fell from Saul's eyes and he could see again. He was baptized in the water and began to preach that Jesus is the Son of God. Saul, now Paul, had been transformed. On several missionary journeys across the Roman Empire, spreading the gospel far and wide. He established churches, wrote letters of guidance and encouragement, and endured countless hardships, including beatings, imprisonment, and shipwrecks. In Rome, Paul was placed under house arrest. For 2 years, he lived in a rented house, guarded by soldiers but free to receive visitors. During this time, Paul wrote several epistles that would become foundational texts of the New Testament, including Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, and Philemon. Paul's mission to spread Christianity was marked by relentless dedication, profound theological insights, and enduring impact. His journeys, trials, and teachings not only established the early church, but also laid the foundation for Christianity as a global faith. Paul's legacy is immense. His tireless work and deep theological reflections helped shape the early church and spread Christianity throughout the known world. Today, his epistles are read and cherished by millions, inspiring faith and guiding believers in their spiritual journey.